Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla S. So for this car we have a problem with the code P219E. So we think like there is too much air going inside your cylinder 3. So what's the code exactly for that one? The problem we found out, we fixed the issue and the car ran like brand new now. I didn't spend no money up very much. So I'm gonna show you what I did. And like that, if you have the same issue, you can fix the car easy. Stay with me guys. So the issue we have cylinder number 3 was misfired. So for that code, it could be a spark plugs, could be coil, but it could be the O2 sensor was the upper side. So what I found out, because last time the customer brand like Toyota spark plugs online, so that was fake. Don't never buy Toyota parts online because this coming fake is not original. So this spark plugs here, there was too much gap on it. Let's show you what the gap and what's the issue. Okay guys, so this is NGK brand, this is NGK, and this is the Denso. This is a fake Denso guys. Don't buy Denso from eBay or any other company because they come in fake. It is not the right ones. Doesn't give no sense you buy it for $10 online and dealership sold it for $30. See the gap? There's a big gap there. I looked at the NGK. See the NGK guys? See the gap? So there's a lot of gap between them. So this one we got a check engine light on, and there's like too much air pass. It doesn't burn like properly. So we did change. We just put our NGK back to the cylinder 3, and so if you change the cylinder 3, you change the spark plugs, and you keep have the same issue, that mean maybe you have the O2 sensor, the upper one is bad. So have to check that one too and make sure if this is dirty, clean it first before you put it back. So the car now ran better. To reset the light, just remove the negative sides of the battery and let it sit for 15 minutes and put it back, and they're gonna reset all your lights. Guys, so guys, after we fix the problem, so we're gonna add in a seafoam. So we gotta clean the injection on the pistons, manifold, intake, everything you gotta clean. So we need one of this. Like that, we gotta fix all this problem after that. Because when you have a misfire, all this bad compression inside the engine is gonna create a lot of smoke, a lot of things. So we gotta add one of seafoam. You can get from AutoZone Advance or Walmart. Walmart is cheaper, and that one gonna help your car a lot. So let's put it in the car. Here we go. And make sure you fill up the gas until the top. Don't add this when the gas is low. That's it. Put the gas cap back to the place. And this one, gas cap, this seafoam. And seafoam is supposed to be added every 6 months. Every 6 months put one. And I see a lot of people, they've been added every they fill up the gas. It's not good too much for your engine. So this one, you gotta help your engine better, and we're gonna do. The car ran better now, so we gotta check everything in the car, make sure everything is good. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See ya.